Flash sales fail for one simple reason: timing. By the time emails are opened or messages are sent manually, the moment is already gone. Inside Pabbly, you can run WhatsApp flash sale broadcast that send dynamic, time-sensitive offers to the right customers instantly, including personalized coupons and limited time triggers. In this video, I am building a flash sale WhatsApp broadcast system using Pabbly, where offers go out automatically, urgency is controlled, and sales happen fast. I'll build this live inside my Pabbly Chatflow account and show you exactly how this broadcast works end to end. So let us start creating this broadcast. For that, first of all, I will help you navigate to this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to get there, first of all, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. This will get you directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the top right corner, you can see we have got these two different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to press this button, sign up free, to create your free account, where you will get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With these 100 free credits, you can explore our application. But if you end up liking our application like most of the users do, then if you wish to have more credits, then you can simply buy the yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly, where you just have to pay for once to enjoy the lifetime subscription of Pabbly. And if you are worried about the price, then here is the best part. I have added this particular coupon code visible on your screen, JPC JAIPC. By applying this coupon code while buying the subscription for yourself, you can get an exciting discount. So if you wish to buy this subscription, then my coupon code will be available for you in the description box. But if you are already a Pabbly user like me, then we just have to click on this sign in button to move further. And this will get us directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as to create our WhatsApp broadcast, we will use this Pabbly Chatflow. That's why we will access this particular application by clicking on this button, access now. Now you can see finally we are inside this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In here on the top right corner, you can see my WhatsApp number is visible to you. So in order to use Pabbly Chatflow, first of all, you have to add your WhatsApp number in here by clicking on this button given here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. On the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added in the description box. And if you have already added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then directly you can start creating a WhatsApp broadcast for yourself. For that, you have to click on this broadcast given on the left side here. And in here you can see these are all the broadcasts that I have scheduled for myself. Now to start creating a broadcast, you just have to click on this add broadcast button given on the right side here. So let's click on this. Now I just have to fill up these following details to successfully schedule our broadcast. But before filling them, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. In here you can also ask your queries, and our team members will instantly help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box so that you can join our community from there. Now let us head back to our Pabbly Chatflow account, and in here we will work on this broadcast. First of all, for this broadcast type, as we have to create a broadcast, that's why we have to select this broadcast campaign, and then we have to give a name to our broadcast. So I will name my broadcast as this New Year Flash Sale broadcast, and then from here we have to select that particular contact list to which I want to send this broadcast. And in here you can see, as I have already created this multiple contact list, that's why I can select it from there. But if you want to learn how to create a contact list, then I will also show it to you. So first of all, I will select this particular contact list to which I want to send this offer, and after that I will show you how you can create a contact list. But as I cannot exit this page, otherwise the progress that I have made here will get lost, that's why I will just simply duplicate this particular page, and inside this new page I will show you how you can create a contact list for yourself. So for that, you just have to open this contacts from here, and in here we have to click on this button, add contacts. Now inside this, we can either add single contacts one by one, or if you want to add bulk contacts, then select this particular option, upload a CSV file with all those contacts which you want to add, and that file must be less than 50 MB in size, and you can add a maximum of 2 lakh contacts at once. And after adding your CSV file, just press this add contacts button, then this contacts will get created successfully inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then to create a list out of all those contacts, click on this plus button given here. Give a name to your contact list, add tag, select the opted status, incoming status, and from here you can also select contact custom fields. And after adding all of these following details, you just have to click on this plus add button, then your contact list will get created successfully. So this is how you can create a contact list for yourself. Now inside this contact list, you can also select multiple contact lists if you want, and if you want to send this broadcast to all of your contacts, then you have to select this particular select all contact list at once. Then your broadcast will get sent successfully to all of the contact lists inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here I have again selected this only one list to which I want to send this particular broadcast. Now let us move toward this select message type. For this I have got these two different options, pre-approved template message and regular message. If I will go with this particular pre-approved template message, then in here I have to select the template which I have also created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But if I will go with this regular message, then in here I do not have any need to create a pre-approved template message. I can directly enter my message in here which I want to send to my customer, and then simply send this message to all of my customers. But there is a condition with this particular regular message, that I can send this regular message to only those customers who are active with me for the past 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre-approved template message. That's why I will go with this particular option. And now I have to click on this select WhatsApp template button to select a template for myself. In here you can see these are all the templates that I have created. Now from here I will select this template New Year Flash Sales which I have created for myself. In here you can see I have created these two different body fields, so we have to enter details inside this particular field and it will automatically get updated inside my template. First of all, in front of this name I will just add this $sign, and by doing this I have made this field dynamic, and this is the exact same $sign name contact custom field which I have created to store the name of my customer. And with the help of this $sign name contact custom field, as soon as I will send this template to my customers, automatically their name will get mapped in place of this $sign name. So here we have entered this body field 1. Now inside this body field 2 we have to enter the validity date of this particular coupon code. So in here I will enter this date 5th of January 2025, and after that I will press this done button. Here I have successfully selected this template, and now I will show you how you can also create a template for yourself. For that, I will go back on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here to start creating a template, we have to select this templates and go on this template list. And then in here to start creating a template, click on this add template button, and at first select the category of your template. You can select among these three different categories: marketing, utility, or authentication, as per your preference. So if you will select this marketing, then in here you have to give a name to your template, but there is a condition with this name, that the name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. Here this example is also given, so I will just copy this example from here and paste it inside this box. I have successfully named my template. Now from this drop down you can select your required language, so I will select my language as this English, and then for this template type you can select the type of your template either as this text, image, video, document, location, or anything else from this list given here. Then you have to enter the header of your template, format of your template, and footer of your template. So I will enter them quickly. Like I will enter the header as this hello. Inside this format I will enter this is a test, and after that inside this footer I will enter this by. You can see this is how our template will look to our customers. Now if you want to create a dynamic field inside this format, then for that you just have to use this particular format. You can see here this format is given, so I will copy it from here and paste it in here like this. You can see these two different dynamic fields got created successfully. This one is a dynamic field, and also this 2 is a dynamic field. So if you want to create a dynamic field, then you have to enter a new number in here in the same format. Like I will enter this. Now as soon as I will enter the 3 in mid of this curly brackets, you will see that here a new dynamic field got created successfully. So now let us move towards this interactive actions. In here you have got these 4 different options: none, call to actions, quick replies, or all. But so if you want to add this call to action button, select them, and in here enter the URL of your website, and then inside this button title you can enter the name of your button. And if you want to add your number for your customer to call you, then enter your number here, and and type the text here like call me or call now or anything as per your preference. So this was call to actions, and if you want to add quick replies, then select this particular option, and in here enter any quick reply text like interested, then this particular button will be available for your customer to reply to you. And after adding all of these things, if you want, then you just have to click on the submit button to submit this template for approval by Meta, and Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to approve your template. And after they have approved your template, you can easily use your template to create broadcast or anything else inside Pabbly Chatflow. So that's how you can create a template for yourself. Now we will move further, and now if we want, we can also test our template, that how it will look to our customers. For that, I just have to enter my phone number and username. So in here I will enter my name, and after that in here I will enter my mobile number, and then I'll just press this send test message button. Then you will see that instantly this template will get delivered on this particular number. So here our broadcast is sent. Now I will open my WhatsApp account to show you. In here you can see I have successfully received this template, and my name and this particular validity date of this coupon are looking all fine. So this means that our broadcast is all good. So now we will move further, and after that we just have to work on this schedule broadcast. I can either send this broadcast instantly by clicking on this no button, but if I want, I can also schedule this for later. So if you want to schedule your broadcast for later, then select this yes option, and after that from this calendar given here, you have to select the particular date and time at which you want to send this broadcast to your customer. But as I want to send this instantly, so I will click on this no button, and I will directly press this add broadcast button. Here you can see my broadcast is live, and it has got sent successfully to all of the customers that I have added in my contact list. So that's it for this video. In this video, I have successfully demonstrated how you can schedule a broadcast to send messages to bulk of your customers. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to YouTube channel of Pabbly. And if you are still watching, then I will suggest you to buy a yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly by using my coupon code available in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.